In this tricky situation, what's not going to be helpful is holding on to a bunch of resentment and fear and frustration towards people outside of yourself for being in this situation, right? And that can be super easy to do. We might want to be the victim in the situation, but I guarantee you that shifting your mindset and approaching this from a more solution-oriented place will empower you, okay? You're gonna need to use this experience to self-adjust, right? When you set a vision, when you clear a path, when you hold an intention for what you want, in this case, a college education, and obstacles show up, that's to be expected. So do not fall into story. Become proactive and use your experience and this new clarity to self-adjust. So go ahead in your journal and write out, what I most want to have happen is X, right? And then if that doesn't work, I would want X to happen and then X to happen. This brainstorming is going to help you to imagine a bunch of different possible other solutions that you can use to inspire action steps you can take to move forward and get the clarity that you need.